Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today and yesterday I've had inner knee pain. And inner knee pain is a red flag that you have some tight muscles on the inside of your leg. And if that knee pain is toward the top, then it's most likely and almost certainly that you have tight muscles on the inside of your upper leg. And if that inner knee pain is on the bottom, which is less likely because of the connection points of where your muscles are, but if it's on the lower end of the inner knee, then it's probably more like your gastrocnemius area here. But for me, it was definitely on the upper inner. And so what do? Like in the other videos I've shown you, I take some oil, some unrefined coconut oil, and I set you up so that you won't move. And I take my arm, my forearm, and I massage deeply on that area. And for most people, if they do this, it will be very painful. It was somewhat painful for me when I first did it a little while ago. It's a little bit still painful, but that means that you're getting it out. That's a good thing. No pain, no gain. Any massage therapist that tells you that that's not the real deal, no pain, no gain, that you shouldn't have to have some pain, they're lying. If you know what I mean. Oh yeah. Now, you don't want to push it too hard to the point of where you injure yourself. But if you make yourself sore for several days, that's probably a good thing. Not a problem at all. That means that it's needing to release and heal. Yeah. Dig deeper and deeper. Get pointier and pointier with your elbow. That means you bend your elbow more. The more you bend it, the more it's going to be pointy, and dig deeper. You control. Holding the wrist with one hand for control. Leaning into it. Okay, so there you go. That's the most effective massage for the inside of your leg if you have inner knee pain that I can think of. You could find a few stretches. It's hard to stretch the inner leg, but yeah, you could find a few stretches for that. Okay, so I've discovered that I have a knot right here. And so that I'm going to dig out with my thumbs, because I can feel that better than the elbow. Oh yeah. You can see how deep that is, and it gives you an idea on what it takes to get this kind of a job done. And if you don't go all the way, if you don't really spend some time, if you don't really take care of the problem, then it's just going to be a continual trouble for you. And most people go to their doctors, and you know what they're going to give them. They're sure not going to tell them anything about this. In fact, most chiropractors, most physical therapists, and not even massage therapists are going to teach you this. Okay. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this outdoorsy video. It's really pretty today. It's always pretty when it's green here. Here's my hound Duke. Hey baby. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.